Hello, everybody. Welcome to our market report. Today, we're Wednesday, June 6th. My name is Christian Charlo. So today, folks, I'm going to talk to you about some stocks that are hitting a 5-year support. So those stocks, actually, a lot of them represent good buying opportunities. But one thing to remember when you buy stocks that are hitting an important support is to put your stop loss on those stocks. So that said, let's take a look at those stocks. Yingling Green Energy, look at that stock. It is hitting an important support that has been tested many times in 2009 and 2011 and again in 2012. So would you get in right now in Yingling Green Energy? What I would wait for Yingling Green Energy is at least for that stock to go higher than 270, 287 for Yingling Green Energy to be able to get in on a swing trading opportunity. And I'll just put my stop loss lower than 252 on that stock. AK Steel Holding, an important support that has been tested many times. I'll get in only if the stock goes higher than 663 on that stock. Mankind, an important support that has been tested many times. I'll just get in if ever I see the stock going higher than 194. Also, put my stop loss at about 166. There are some stocks actually that are good opportunities to be able to get in right now. Those stocks include Rex Energy, an important support that has been tested many times. Actually, the stock is going up. There's no problem. You can get into that stock. Only put your stop loss at 906. Another one is Velti, because this is an important support that has been tested 2 times in 2011, 1 time in 2012, and again in 2012. So actually, it is a go on Velti as long as you put your stop loss at 591. Second arm, also a good opportunity to be able to get in with that important support. And there are some stocks that actually depends on the type of investor you are. If you're the type of investor who like to take more risk, you just like to get in now, there's no problem to get in now on Intermune. The only thing is, if you get in now around this area on Intermune, well then, be ready to put your stop loss at 902. If you're the type of investor who's like more risk averse, who just like to just get in at the right moment, well then, I would rather wait a little bit for Intermune, at least to just reverse that downward trend and get in at about 1174, 1187, around that area, because it will reverse its downward trend and there will be kind of almost nothing to just jeopardize the gain potential on Intermune, except that resistance here at 17.7, but you know, from 11 to 17.7, which is that old resistance here, there's still about some 10% to be able to gain for Intermune. So of course, the type of investor you are, you're able to just manage your strategy. So that's it. A lot of those stocks that I'm going to show you on this list are actually some stocks that are testing an important support. We have some on the New York Stock Exchange, some on the NASDAQ. So you'll be able, of course, to shop around. But folks, one thing to remember, there's no problem to getting into those stocks, but put your stop loss. So this is Christian Charlo for our Market Chronicle. See you next week for our next market report. To learn more about us, go to decisionplus.com on the section free trial to try marketguru.tv.